Hello guys, Igor here to talk about Melodie music, a deal that I just bought on AppSumo and I like it so much, so I would like to recommend it to all of you. And it's a music collection. I work a lot with video, and having a great music collection and possibilities is essential to make your video, looking better, and with a great, soundtrack. And I just saw that deal on AppSumo 3 days ago. It cost $49. I already bought it, and you get all their collection. They say here they are trusted by National Geographic, Fox Sports, and ITV. And you get all the features of that Melody music plan. That's like their standard plan. And you have no limitation to use their music. You can even use it commercially. And the collection is great. And also, the only issue here is that you will need to use it for yourself. You can't use it for your clients. So it does not include commercial license for your clients. You can use it commercially for your branding, for instance, using it on to create the videos on your online school, but you can't use it for your clients. But for $49 is a lifetime deal. If they keep developing it and it's already have a great collection, it's for sure a no-brainer. I'm gonna show you the tool here. You can see here that I read about my license. Oh, here it will show like single annually USD, and it will auto renew. So it's not showing, at least for me, a lifetime deal, but that's the AppSumo plan. And I'm gonna show you that their music is focused on the storytellers, which is cool if you create videos, and I create a lot. And you can browse the music or browse by collection. So here you can browse per music, and you can divide by genre, mood, instrument, purpose, BPM, key. So usually I like to, select different kind of moods. So if I want something more dramatic, just click here and you're gonna see it. And here, which is really interesting and different, it's like for instance that a sound here, and it works with all sound. You can see here the detail of the copywriting, and you can even download it as a CSV. Other details about the purpose of the song, BPM, opening key, closing key, etc. And here you can download many different kind of versions, and also hear it on the screen. You can download it with bass only, drums only, strings only, underscore, winds only. So you have many different versions. Look here, there is a mix here for the same music. So you can just take a look at many of them, and usually download the version that you like more. If you like the mix, if you like with no vocal, etc. And also you can select by collection. And here on collection, so let's say you want something like Between Dreams or Cathedral, anything that you're creating a video about religion, so you can go here on Cathedral and find some songs that would fit to your video. So that's a playlist called Cathedral. And they have many songs, and for $49 per lifetime, if they keep developing, it can be just a gem. I bought it, I do recommend it, and I hope you are creating your videos or using the musics to create new kind of content. If you're a content creator, you need that kind of stuff. So I hope you like that recommendation. So get Melodie. It seems a good deal. You're gonna hear that the sounds are great, and see you next time.